So today's May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. So today, I bought myself $10 Crocs from Walmart. We're gonna customize these bad boys. I need myself some Star Wars Crocs. Bad Batch is coming out today, May the 4th. It was probably awesome. Before I say anything else, I'm like probably the biggest Star Wars fan ever. Lucasfilm, Disney, Marvel. If you guys watch this, hook your boy up. We're gonna get started on these. Make sure to like and subscribe. Join my online shoemaking course down below, as well as customs like this. I got them all down below. Woo! May the 4th be with you. Let's get right to it. So this is an all-white Croc that I got from Walmart, $10. Really nice template in order to put all of my artwork on. This is gonna be Star Wars themed, as I said before. Bad Batch with the Star Wars logo on the side in red. We aren't making these too crazy. We're just gonna make it super simple, nice, and easy on the eyes. The helmet was super easy. All that I did was trace around, got the shapes down, ready to go, and I painted the insides. So halfway through the custom, I have ran out of paint. I'm out of the red and tan, as well as the brown, and I'm also out of the olive. So unfortunately, I gotta go to the store, gotta run over there, get all those paints up, get them all ready to go, come back over here, and then finish the painting. So I went to the first store. They do not have any of the paint right now. This kind of sucks, so let's go off to the second store. So good news, we got the paints, we're all ready to go. They had every single color in the big bottles and the small bottles, so had to get them both, but I got all the paints now, so let's go back to the office, finish up the customs, and get them ready. So we're back here ready to go. I got all the paints ready. I got them all full, brand new bottles, so we can get to painting. I also got brand new brushes, because we definitely need some brushes. We gotta prep this surface up with some acetone, obviously, get the second shoe ready, and get to painting. Also with these customs, I do make my own stencils, so this is how I do it. So this is my piece of paper. Say that I want to cut out a stencil. All that I got to do is draw the shape or the object that I would like. So say that I want to have a circle. I draw it out just like that. From here, I'm going to cut it out around the edge with an X-Acto knife. After that, you got yourself the circle and then also the perimeter of the circle around it. So you could use either or in order to trace it around. So for example, what I'm going to be doing is drawing out 2 6s. I'm going to be tracing it all the way around onto the shoe. And from there, I'll be able to paint in the yellow 6s, so it says order 66. You can apply these to anything if you don't have any other stencils or something like this. I think it's very simple and easy. As I said, you know, maybe you just want a star. You just have to cut out the edges of the shape that you would like. Before you know it, you got a nice simple pattern that you could paint in. So now that we got the Bad Batch on the left shoe, we got Baby Yoda or Grogu on the right shoe. We're gonna be putting order 66 on the back side of this. So as you can see, we got the logo right here, order 66 behind that one. So let's keep it going, keep it moving. The Crocs are now finished. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on notifications. First one that we got right here is Bad Batch themed. Bad Batch, you got the helmet, you got the logo Star Wars, you got some red and black-ish paint around it. Also, make sure to like on the back right there. We got subscribe on the back right here. And we got Grogu right here chilling, hanging out with us up. We got order 66, just a nice little subtle touch. We have some brown and green blended all the way around. These are them. This is a right shoe, this is a left shoe. Just like that, you got yourself some custom Star Wars Crocs. May the 4th be with you. Lucasfilms, reach out to me. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. Have a great day.